Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to create scribble art within Adobe Photoshop. A really easy, simple step-by-step process to follow, but a really powerful and really aesthetically pleasing design that you could create and then implement within your future designs within your graphic design career. A really simple step-by-step process to follow to create a really powerful design. Okay, the question should be is how do we do it? So what I have on the another tab here is the original image open for me. Okay, I'm just going to come through and add a black adjustment layer. So if I just come to our adjustment layers here, we have solid color and we can choose any color we like, but I would like to be choosing the color black. Okay, just going to swap the layers around and bring that to the bottom there. Now, what I need to do is make a selection of our friend. So simply what I'm going to do here is come through and use the object selection tool. And let's use the select subject option up here, like so. With that selected now, I'm going to use our layer mask option like so. Okay. Now, what I need to do is I need to apply the layer mask to this particular image. So on the layer mask, if I right click, I have the option to apply a layer mask like so. Okay. And now we're here, guys, in the sense of we can start to create this scribble art. We have our layer of our friend and we have our solid color black adjustment layer. So with our layer of our friend here, what we're going to do is apply a layer mask to this, but we're going to press Option if you're using a Mac or Alt if you're using Windows to apply an inverted layer mask. I'm then going to come to our brush tool. I'm going to make it really small size. Let's say probably around 15 would do. And I'm going to stay with hard round. Now, when we're using layer masking, we know there are two colors to really be focusing on, which are the color white to make things visible and the color black to make things non-visible. The color I need to be using currently at the moment would be white because I've applied an inverted layer mask. I would need to now show the image of the person. So with everything set up now, what I'm going to do is start to scribble. And as you can see, gradually as you make your scribbling effect here, the man is coming through. Be really random with it. You can dictate how much you want to show or how much you not want to show. Like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create scribble art within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also take a look at our social media, Instagram at Blue Sky Graphics UK, for some really cool information on designing and some inspiration. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.